If you want to get PhD degree in one of the most developed territories in the world and get paid $43,000 every year, then continue watching this video. Hong Kong PhD Fellowship is offering 300 different PhD degrees for international students from all over the world, notwithstanding their race, their religion, or political views. Which fields of study you can apply for? You can apply for sciences, medicine, engineering and technology, humanities, social science, and business studies. Which universities in Hong Kong you can apply for? There are 7 universities which participate in this program, and they are the following: Lincoln University, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, City University of Hong Kong, Hong Kong Baptist University, the University of Hong Kong, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Let's talk about financial covering and support. You will get annual stipend of $43,000, and each year you will get conference and research related travel allowance of $1,700. The duration of the program is 3 years, but if you need additional year to complete your thesis, the university you are applying for will provide you assistance and financial support. How can you apply? The eligible candidate should apply through Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme electronic system by the 1st of December and get reference number. With this reference number, you have to apply to your chosen university in Hong Kong. The requirements of the university you want to apply for can be different, so please check the major you want to apply, the university you want to apply, prepare the necessary documents, and apply for the program as a second step of the application. When can you apply? You can start applying from the 1st of September, that is now, until the 1st of December. So hurry up, and I wish you good luck.